purposely leave the empty milk carton in the fridge again. How else would you know there's no milk? It's like a fridge announcement. A fridge announcement. How about this announcement? I married a man who specializes in fridge chaos. Whoa, chaos is a bit harsh. I prefer milk carton strategist. Milk carton strategist, you're the sole reason I poured cereal into bowls and found nothing to drink 5 times this month. Okay, but think of the drama. It's like a thrilling mystery every morning. You want drama? How about the juice cap? You left half on last week. I nearly caused a flood in the kitchen. That was modern art. Modern art, try modern disaster. It's a miracle I haven't thrown the entire fridge at you yet. You miss me and my fridge announcements. Admit it. What I admit is this: I'm 2 seconds from staging a fridge revolution. Empty cartons and loose caps will not survive. Fine, fine, I'll throw out the milk carton, tighten the juice caps, and worship the fridge queen. Are you satisfied now? Not until you declare I'm right. Loud enough for the neighbors to hear. Clear as throat, you're right. You're always right. Yes, and don't you forget it.